As we're walking around here, I'm going to show you what's going on with the vehicles from here, from this province. This is the big problem. All right, today we got something different going on. We're stopping by, I've never been here, UPull. Got these all over North America. I just thought I'd stop by, show you guys what they got going on here. It's a place where you come and if you need a part for your car, an older car, you can come and get it by yourself. Pretty cool stuff. Let's go take a look out back, see what they have going on here, see how this works. Just give you guys something different to look at. All right, enjoy. All right, everybody, how's everyone doing today? Gonna bring you guys along with me. This is the first time I've ever been here. We're gonna stop at a UPull. That's a big salvage yard where you pull cars apart. You have to do it all by yourself. Take everything you want off yourself, you bring it back, then you pay for it. So we're gonna take a walk around, take a quick look. What we're looking for, we're just taking a quick look, see if they have any utility boxes for the vehicles. Any utility boxes. That's like a Redding is a company that makes those boxes that goes on the back of a Super Duty truck. So we're gonna just walk around. They just told me walk out back here. You're gonna walk into the pickups right off. So we'll walk around. If there's anything I notice that I can point out, show you guys what they have here. Just looks like a lot of junk, but a lot of junk to somebody is gold. All right, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Well, let's just walk along here. Huge yard, little Ranger sitting right here. So a lot of these trucks are gonna be rusted out because we are in province of Quebec. So what they seem to do, they just stack them up, put them on top of rims, and then you come in and you take whatever you want. You're gonna have a lot of stuff from the early 2000s. I noticed here a lot of stuff from the early 2000s. So if I see anything that I think we should talk about, anything that catches my eye, I'll stop and I'll show you guys. Awful lot of stuff here. I don't know where the Super Duty stuff is. As we're walking around here, I'm going to show you what's going on with the vehicles from here, from this province. This is the big problem. Whereas you guys from the United States, from in the South, you'll have more, the motors will go out, but the bodies will be really good. Like a vehicle like this, the motor will still be good, but the body is finished, rusted from all the salt and the stuff they put on the roads here in the winter. That's why everything is all rusted. An old Ranger, look at that, from the early 2000s. So that was the pickup section. So you see, as I was saying, I was telling you guys, look at all the rot. You almost have to have a hepatitis shot to come out here and look at these things. A lot of junk out here, but it's what people need. Sometimes you just need a little part. You can see somebody up there at the other end there pulling some kind of part. Caravans, Cherokee, Focus. F-150, got to pick up with a wooden box. You got a Lincoln Aviator here from this will be about 2004, 2005. These were pretty nice back in the day. Rows and rows and rows and rows of cars. So what we were looking for, they didn't have any. Wish they could have just told me that up front. I don't know how many cars they have in here, but these are big lots. Like I said, I've never been to UPull. So if you need a grill, say you need a grill like this off of, what is this, a Taurus? Yeah, Ford Taurus. I don't know what year this is. I'll tell you what year it is. This is going to be a 2008 2009 Ford Taurus. You need a grill, you come here and you take it off. They got all kinds of stuff. They got wheels, and this is where the last place where the car goes, they start picking parts off of it. And then when it's down to just a shell, they crush it and throw it, goes back to be melted for metal. These cars here, when you start picking parts off of them, goes really quick. Really quick. Got an Audi, got a Volkswagen sitting there behind it. Was that Subaru over there? Got an old Sunfire. I don't know if you guys remember these cars. A lot of vans, a lot of Dodge vans. A convertible Sunfire GT. Look at these things. Got into a fender bender, ran into somebody, wasn't worth fixing, so they sent it here. So you guys probably have UPull lots where you guys live. They seem to have some all over the country, all over North America. I don't notice like a lot of cars that have been in accidents. It seems to be just like a lot of old cars. I don't notice a lot of cars that have been in accidents. That's one thing. But this must be where they're going to continue. See, they cleaned this lot out. So this must be where they're going to continue putting cars, lining them up one beside the other. That's why you have the rims here. They're already ready. See how they weld them. See how they weld this rim onto that spare? So that goes under the car, like what you see here. Then they put the car up on that. So that way, if you need to get anything that's under the car, you can. If you need an exhaust or some kind of suspension part. Oh, here's a car that's been in an accident, a Mustang, a S97, something like that. Yeah, so you see they must just start, then they bring the next one in. They put the things underneath it here, the wheels that they've welded up, they stick it up underneath. Then they just keep going down the line. I don't know how much they pay for cars anymore. I don't know if it's like between $300, $400, $500 probably a car. They can probably pull a $2,000 to $5,000 worth of parts off of it. Just something different I thought I'd show you guys. So I don't know how big how many acres there is here, but it is full of cars. Got an Escape, got an old Buick sitting here beside it from the early 2000s. There's a company we haven't heard of in a long time, and there's one right in front of the other. Look at that. You guys remember what that company is? That company was owned by GM. It was called Saturn. Don't see that around much anymore. It's like old Oldsmobiles and stuff like that. You don't see much of that. Here's a Chrysler 300. Little Jeep. You got a van sitting over there. So this is really, you come out here with your own tools. I think they'll lend you a wheelbarrow, get your parts off, whatever you need. Just looking to see if there's anything else I can see out here while I'm here. This is just a quick walk around, something different. Look at this one right here. Aloha Surf, stand up and paddle. Out here in all this snow. Won't be much paddling going on today, yeah? Alright, well I didn't see anything. So you guys give me a thumbs up. Let's see what else they have. All right, enjoy next time.